Alright, g'day guys, how we going? It's Mark Barrett here. Very briefly, I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys today because my subscribers are always asking what are some real ways to make money online. So I wanted to just show you in depth one of the methods that honestly I've been making a decent little amount of side income from. To be quite honest, I don't use it as much as I should. I haven't really touched it since January of this year, and it's been making money. So what I'll do is just pop through and show you the income that I'm making from it, and then I'll show you how to do it basically. So here you can see this website is one of the commissions I get paid, and you can see it's not a crazy amount for my life anyway, but you can see each month we're ranging 250, 280, 708, stuff like that. For a total of $1,800 I've made with this website. So you can see, yeah, started in January there, getting going, and then honestly haven't touched it since, and it's just been pretty lazy money. So there's, $1,800 US that's came in, over the last 6 months without actually touching it. So what this system does is it gives you one link, and then it automatically promotes 4 different setups for you. Okay, so that's why you'll see all this rolling in all the time and pretty easily, because it's just basically promote one link and it spits out 4 types of commissions for you. So the other one it promotes is ClickFunnels, obviously. So keep in mind this is all I do with ClickFunnels, and you can see this one doesn't show monthly, but every month I get paid, on average $600, $700, $800. So you can see just for this year, $3,700. So what are we up to there with the 2 websites? That's basically say $5,500 US this year with that. And then it's got a high ticket too. You'll see a lot of numbers here. I couldn't actually figure out how to filter this out, but this one here is a high ticket for it. Okay, so you can see we've done 4 sales there at a total of $2,000. So we're at about $7,500 lazy income this year from just utilizing this system. Okay, so basically here's what it is. It's called GPS, Global Profit Systems, from good mate Ben Martin. It's got a fair bit involved. Okay, so what I'll do, I actually created a course on it, which is in the description below if you want a really in-depth look at it, but I'll just give you a quick overview. Okay, so into what I've done. So you basically come in, and once you register for it, you just set up all the links. Okay, so obviously you've got to go and join these websites and get set up correctly, and then it's just a matter of promoting it, guys. So what you'll see is you get what's called my affiliate links, right? So you just come into the website. It's pretty simple actually. All you want to do now is, if you've never done affiliate marketing before, all you really need to do is just basically send traffic through what's called an affiliate link. Okay, so I generally use this one. So you literally just copy this link, okay, and then I'll show you how I drive traffic. Okay, so that's our affiliate link, meaning that everybody that signs up, it is a free sign up to the global profit system. It will build your list for you too if you want to do it that way. Again, it's more in-depth training inside of the course. Okay, but essentially just copy your link and come over to one of my favorite traffic generating sites, which is udemy.com, and then just scroll through and find someone that you like. Okay, so here you can see you get orders for 40 cents a click, right? So let's go with, I always like to go with the top guys. So Stefan here is one of the top guys, right? So you basically just click it, and you can see that I've ordered, plenty of traffic through him. Scroll through, pick how many clicks you want. I normally go with about 200 clicks. You can see, and what we do is just get rid of this, and you can literally just copy and paste your link in there like that. Leave it base filter. You can add more if you want. It adds more to the money, but just leave it base filter. Press add to cart. Go through the process of paying with PayPal or credit card, whatever you want to do, and then they'll deliver the traffic for you. It really is as simple as that, guys. So as you can see, that's all I've done with it. Like I said, I did that in January. I probably spent maybe, I don't know, maybe a couple of $100. What did we have here? Here you can see I've only put 1,700 referrals in there. So that's, keep in mind, that's free referrals with just solo ads and my list, of course. And it's been spitting out what did we say, about $7,500 over the course of the year, and I haven't touched it. So, you know, for me, maybe I need a boot and a half to ramp this up a little bit, but this can go as big as you like. Beautiful thing is it's recurring income. So this one's recurring, that one's recurring. There's another one that promotes AWeber, I won't show you that, but I've got another couple $100 there as well. Then you've got big tickets, so that's a $500 commission each time you get it, which is pretty sweet. Okay, direct to your PayPal account, all your commissions can set up to go. And yeah, it really is that simple, guys. Get your system set up, grab your affiliate link, send some traffic to your affiliate link. Bob's your uncle, the money keeps rolling in. So hopefully that give you a nice little way to make some side income. Okay, like I said, I have a full course about it below. You can click you'll see the Warrior Plus link, that'll take you over to my full course. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I get notified and I reply to them nice and quickly. So if you have any questions about it, by all means ask below. And if you like this type of content, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification so you get notified every time I put a video out like this, and hopefully I can help you just produce a lot more results in your business. So there you can see, you know, like I said, to me that's not a huge amount of money, but I mean, there's people out there, I know if you're watching, you'd be very excited about an extra 7 to, well, let's say that's 6 months, so let's say about 15,000 extra money in your pocket, and it can go a hell of a lot bigger, trust me on that. So yeah, pretty simple system. You know, get to work on it, just take some action. It's that simple. Spend a little bit of money, take some action, and you'll find that you'll start rolling some results in as easily as I did. So again, thanks for watching. Any questions, hit them below. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk soon.